Hello everyone. Coffee drippers love to brag about speed. But if you're not a competition barista, does it really matter? Or is this just marketing hype? Today, we're going to talk about, do you really need a fast coffee dripper? Fast drippers aren't just about saving time. They're designed to give skilled brewers more control over extraction. Flow rate is a variable, not a shortcut. A fast dripper lets you adjust your grind, water flow, and pour pattern to shape the flavor. It's flexibility for people who know how to use it. But control comes with responsibility. For everyday brewers, fast drippers can be unforgiving. Pour too fast, bloom too short, or grind a bit too coarse. And the result? Weak, sour, underwhelming coffee. That's where slower, more structured drippers shine. The trapezoid, or from now on we shall call it Melitta. It's cheap, accessible, and nearly foolproof. Some small holes and tight paper contact mean slow flow and simple brewing. Perfect for the office or quick mornings. Timemore B75. The B75 sits in the middle, flat bottom with faster flow. It's forgiving, but still gives you some control. Great for daily brewing. Let's try the same coffee across all three brews. Same ratio, different drippers. From the taste test, I can conclude that the V60 has a bright, light-bodied, but it's hard to nail. The Melitta has smoother and softer and more muted flavor profile. The B75 is balanced, it has good clarity and decent body. Fast brewers are great for those who love to experiment, but not every dripper is for everyone. Some are hard to master. And once the hype wears off, they just sit unused. Choose wisely. Gear is only useful if it fits into your routine. Each dripper has its place. It's not just about technique, it's about lifestyle. I want to share the best possible use case for each dripper according to my opinion. So the Melitta is best for office and rust mornings. Because it is cheap, it is easy, and it is consistent even with pre-ground coffee. The B75 is best for everyday brewing because it is balanced, portable, and it's easy to get consistent results. Plus, you can play with it a bit because it is quite fast. The V60 is best for weekend or focused brewing because it is highly responsive, so it's ideal for tweaking and testing. It all comes down to how you want to brew. Simple gear used well often makes better coffee than complicated gear used poorly. Or as Bruce Lee said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Master the brewer that fits your life. That's how you get better coffee every day. And now I want to hear from you. What kind of dripper do you use? Fast, slow, or somewhere in between? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more no-fuss coffee tips. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.